Hi, let's see how to create employee in TallyPrime. To create an employee, we should enable payroll first. We have two options to enable payroll. Now, the first option would be you can open your company, press F11 and maintain payroll. Make it as yes. Press Y and enter. Press Ctrl A to save this. Now, go to create and payroll masters. Here you can go to employee creation. This would be the first option to enable payroll masters. Now the second option would be, I will disable this option. Go to create, click on show more, click show inactive, and now you are able to see the payroll masters. Go to employee creation and enable it. Now when we enable this option, automatically in F11 the payroll would be enabled. To create an employee, name is the mandatory field. Rest all details are optional. Let's give the details one by one. I am giving the name. Press enter, and select Arabic language. If you want to mention the Arabic name here, you can mention that. Press enter, and under this option means that under which department this employee belongs to. Let's create the department. Press Alt C. I will give the department name as Sales, Research and Development. Press enter, press Ctrl E. Now here you have to mention the date of joining of the employee. I will give the date. You can give the particular employee joining date here and press enter. And this option defines salary details. This option means that if you want to mention the salary details of the employee, you can mention here. You can enable here and you can select the particular pay head and you can enter here. Next option is notes. So if you want to write something related to the employee, if you want to mention any notes here, you can mention that. Now we'll move to the general information. These are the general information of the employee. We will fill it one by one. Employee number. You can give the employee number here. I'll give the employee number. Next, designation. Function and the location. Select male or female. Next, mention the date of birth. Next, select the blood group. Mention fathers or mother's name, or you can mention the spouse name here, anything. And address, you can mention the address here. Okay, so here you will be mentioning your contact number, employee contact number. After that, mention the mail ID of the employee. So these are the general information of the employee which we filled just before. Employee number, designation, function, location, gender, date of birth. These are the optional one, but this will help you in the form of employee profile report. Now let's move to the bank details part. So here is the place where we will fill the bank details of the employee. So make it yes and enter. So here is the details where we will give the bank details of the employee. So give the account number, enter, and select the bank here. After that select the branch, so I'll just give as Riyadh, and you can select the transaction type. Let's say I have taken transaction type, so press enter. So see, when you go here, these are the bank details of the employee. Now let's move to the passport and visa details. So here we will be filling the passport details and also contact details of the employee. So let's fill the passport details. And country of issue, so from which country you are issuing this thing. So let's say he's from India, and you can give the expiry date of the passport. So I will give as next, give the visa number here. So enter, and then expiry date. So this is the visa expiry date, so you can give the date. Enter. So these are the details you can fill for passport and visa details. And after this, the next option would be contract details. So if you have any employee, any specified employee, like in contract, like from this date, limited period they are working here, so you can give the date, like from the date of contract and from the till date they work. So you can give the option, you have an option to give that. So let's say we'll give that and here till date you can give as like this, you can do and you can accept. So now we have created an employee. So if you go to alter and employee, and here is the employee screen whatever we have created. So let's say you want to give only the name, you don't have any other details, you don't want to mention any other details, then you can simply create with the name also. Go to create employee and give the name as any name. So enter, 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 enter. If you press enter, it will accept. So name is the only field, it is mandatory, so all other details are optional.